Now, good morning, children. We have exercise 4.12. Now, the first exercise 4.12. Here, three word problems are given here. And first question is 1/5 meter of ribbon is needed to make a flower. How many such flowers can Shruti make from a 5-meter ribbon? So, ribbon is needed to make a flower equal 1/5 meter. Total number of meter of ribbon equal 5 meter. So, number of such flowers can be made. So 5 divided by 1/5. So 5 divided by 1/5 means 5/1 divide into 1/5. We change into the reciprocal 5/1. So 5 multiplied by 5 equal 25. 1 1 is 1. So 25/1 equal 25 flowers can be made. Now the second question, 5/1/2 kg of onion are to be packed in a small bag. If each bag can hold 1/4 kg, how many such bag can be packed? So onion are to be packed in small bag equal 5/1/2 kg. So we change here into the mixed fraction to the improper fraction. 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 1, 11/2 kg. If each bag can hold 1/4 kg, so number of such bag can be packed. So 11/2 divided by 1/4. 11/2 multiply 1/4 change into the reciprocal equal 4/1. So 11 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 1. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. And the numerator 11 multiplied by 2, 11 2 is 22. Now this question is completed. Now the question number 3. Now, dear student, question number 3. How many equal pieces of 1/4 meter Shreya cut from a tape of length 6/1/2 meter? So the length of a tape is 6/1/2 meter equal. We change into the improper fraction. 6 2 is 12 plus 1 equal 13/2 meter. So Shreya cut equal pieces of 1/4 meter from a tape of length. So the number of pieces equal 13/2 divided by 1/4. 1/4 13/2 in multiply, we change into the reciprocal. So 1/4 equal 4/1. So 13. So we do the multiply. 30 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 1. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Because 4 is divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So numerator is 1. Numerator is 1 and denominator is 1, and your numerator is 13 multiplied by 2 equal 26 pieces. Now dear students, this exercise and this chapter is also completed. Now we start here chapter 5, decimals. Decimal, this 5.1 class 3. Now first time we tell you here, dear student, 5 7 8 9 2 4. Here 5 numbers are written here, and we put the sign suppose here. How we read this number? We read 78.924. In this is your whole number. This is your whole number. This is your decimal, and 924 is a decimal numbers. ये हमारे डेसिमल नंबर्स हैं. डेसिमल इसमें नहीं लगा है, डेसिमल इसमें लगा हुआ है, इसलिए इसको हम 924 पढ़ते हैं, रीड करते हैं सिंगल डिजिट पे. एंड व्हाट इज द प्लेस ऑफ दिस number and this number? The place of this number is, this is in ones place, this is in tens place, but this is decimal, and this number is in tenth, and th, tenth place. We start tenth place. This is your in hundredth, HUNDREDTH, hundredth place, and this one is thousandth, THOUSANDTH, thousandth place. So dear children, this is tens, ones, after ones here tenth, TH, tenth, hundredth, thousandth. So we read 924 means 78.924, or you can read also 78 decimal 924, and you can read also one type 78 and 924, 78 and 924. Okay, now we go to the exercise 5.1. Now, dear children, exercise 5.1. Now, the first question is here. Write the decimal for the colored part and write in words. Here, children, here one box, and here one box is a full sided, and here the second box is only two parts are sided, and 8 part, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Yes, 8 parts are unsided and 2 parts are sided. Here one part is sided, so we write here 1. Here 2 parts are sided out of 10, so we write here 2 upon 10, and 2 upon 10 when we change into the decimal equal 0.2. How we change into the decimal? Look at this. We do the by the division method. So 10 is your divisor and 2 is your always dividend. So 10 divided by 2 divided by 10. So 10, read the table, 10 0 0 2. Put here one decimal and increase here 1 0. So 10 2 is 20. This is 0. So 0.2. So we write here 0.2. Then 0.2 plus 1. 0.2 plus this was 1. So equal 1.2. This is your answer. We write here 1.2. In the word 1.2. 1.2. Okay. Now here, look at here. Here how many boxes? 2 boxes are full sided. So we write here 2 boxes are full sided. But here how many boxes are sided? 7 boxes are shaded and 3 boxes are unshaded. So we write here 7 boxes are shaded, so we write here 7 upon 10. Out of 10 boxes, 7 boxes are shaded, so we write here 0.7. Why? Here 1 0, so 7 is written here in the 10th place. 7 upon 10 मतलब 7 is written here 10th place. 7 upon 100 मतलब means 7 is written here 100th place. 7 upon 1000 means 7 is written here in 1000th place, and 100th place is after decimal. This is your decimal, this is your 10th place, this is your 100th place, this is your 1000th place. So in the 7 is written here in the 10th place, so we write here 0.10th. 0.10 means in 7. So now after this number we add 2 here, so 7.2. Now write in the word 2.7. This is your answer. Now the question number second, write each of the following, write each of the decimal in figure. Here 0.2, 0.2. Now second 0.9, 0.9. Here 7 in tenths place, not tenths, tenth, TH here. So 7 10th place, so 0.7 we write here in the 10th place. 1.3, so 1.3. Now here 0.6, so 0.6. Now 2 and 1/10, so 2.1/10. Okay, this question is completed here. Now, dear children, now the question number third, write the decimal for each point marked on the scale. Here we make a one scale here, a scale. Here mark point is, here arrow is, we draw here in the arrows, sign of arrow. So we write in the decimal. So this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. But these in 1 and between 1 and 2, these are millimeter. These are millimeter. So we write here 0.12 because here not 1 centimeter. So this is the first sign. Now the second one is 1.1234, 1.4. Now the third is, we write here 3.5. Now this number is 4.678, 4.8. Now this 6 centimeter, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 millimeters. So we write here 6.7. Now next 7.9. Now next 9.2. Next 11.123. Okay. Now the next question number 4. Write the next 3 decimals. We write here 1, 2, 3 decimals. We write here the next 3 decimals. So 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, so 0.8, 0.9 and 10. So 10 equal 1. 10 equal 1.8. 0. Okay. Now the next 3.8, 3.9, 4, then 4.1, 4.2 and 4.3. Now 8.9, after 8.9, 9, 9.1, 9.2, 9.3 and 9.4. 4.4, 5, 6, 4.7, 4.8 and 4.9. Okay dear, this exercise is completed. 5.1 is completed. Now the next video I will tell you exercise 5.2. Now thank you.